Hi, I'm Rose Simons of Rose's Health and Wellness, and today I thought I'd show you how to fix fake carpal tunnel and tennis elbow. So what do you mean by fake? Well, a lot of times when we use our hands, they'll be strong, but then muscles get fatigued. So they'll be strong and then they go weak. They get fatigued. So most of us have fatigued muscles. And we know that because we don't have any grip anymore. We don't have any strength in our forearms and our hands. So that would be fake carpal tunnel and tennis elbow. So this is how you can fix it by yourself in your own home. As a massage therapist, I would do this in between working on people. And so now I'm going to give this gift to you. First of all, to be able to make a grip, you have these fingers here. These muscles here are called the pollicis muscles. Well, that's their name, okay? But they make it so we can grip things, right? Sometimes, because of extenuating circumstances, heavy labor, or just repetitious doing things, they will get, and also being dehydrated, they will get tight, too tight, and then they will tear. Usually they will tear at the what's called the origin and insertion points, the two ends. So what we do is this. Let me see my hand. You would take your thumb, or it could be the fingers, but it's the tips. So you can't do it if you have fingernails. But you would take it, and muscle is like Velcro. So you want to stretch and hook it. Stretch and hook. And so this muscle stretches and hooks all the way around the bottom here. Then this pollicis muscle to the thumb is all around the thumb at the base. We want to stay away from the belly of the muscles. We're only working on the ends, okay? So you just pull down, and it might hurt a little bit, and if you do, that might be a tear, a little microscopic tear, but that's okay. Muscle is like Velcro. We're stretching and we're hooking it. So that takes care of the bottom. Now we want to do the tops. Well, this muscle here, the top is all around it. So we're going to go like this. We're going to stretch and hook to that joint, that bone right there where the thumb hooks in. Okay, and now we're going to go and do this side. And it's this little guy, the pinky finger, and we pull him in. Okay. All right, now those are all hooked. So that'll take care of the grip part. But what about the tennis elbow part? Well, we have 22 muscles in our forearm. You can see them moving. You see them? Flexing and moving. There you can see them. See them? Okay. Well, what we want is we're going to realign these muscles. And so we do that by starting at the wrist. We're going to take these muscles and we're going to move while we turn our hand internally, rotating it. We're going to take these muscles to the back side. So we move our way up. See? And it will feel good. There, and we always go from the wrist, we'll do that a couple of times, up to the elbow. And we let go, all right? So that realigns those, brings them back online so that they're strong again. And you would do the same thing on the other side. It's very simple. So we're just gonna pull down either with our thumb or fingers. We pull down all the way across. Then we come up here and we stretch, pull up. We can pull up. There's some tender ones. Okay, so we've got those hooked. And now we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to rotate in, take these guys to the outside. Do that a couple of times. There. Now, what's going to happen is this. This is going to be strong. See? Strong. We have our grip back. So try it out. It's very easy to do. Can't hurt yourself. And just remember, always go out and always go away. Because if you do it any other way, you will weaken it and you'll lose your grip. And then you'll know, oh, I did it backwards. Do it the right way. Okay, so this is Rose Simons of Rose's Health and Wellness. And I hope this helps you out with your fake carpal tunnel and tennis elbow. And even if for some reason you've had the surgery, you can still do this, okay? And maybe it will help you not have to have any surgeries. Okay. See you in the next episode.